Hello, folks. Now, before we get started with Scalar, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, folks, $10,000 a month. And now, this is a massive opportunity because many people who have bought into this particular program are making good money. So click that first link in the description below and see what it's all about. Now back to the review. You can grab a Scalar in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 is all about affiliate marketing business made easy. And it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. And it also provides resource articles for you. And bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get a gig, for example, and it's a high value gig, and you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr, and then you pocket the difference. In other words, you buy the gig at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. Bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income, and this is a crucial thing. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn $186 in 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. Not only that, you get it done for you, a high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Another resource with Scalar. Now, who's behind Scalar? Well, it is Venkata Raman. And he's located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and claims that Scalar has one simple app that has changed thousands of lives. He and his team are prolific creators and have over 133,000 sales on Warrior Plus. Now, I've purchased several of Venkata's products and have been satisfied, and I would recommend you take a serious look at Scalar. In a nutshell, Scalar is an AI plugin that leverages ChatGPT-4, giving you 100% free clicks on any affiliate link. And here's some things you should know about it. It's a 3-step process. All you have to do is log in, activate, and refresh. There's no tech experience necessary, no manual work, as Scalar is automated. Scalar works in any niche, and you can use it for your mobile. It's simple to use, and training is provided. Really excellent training, by the way. And you receive 10 extra bonuses so that you can create passive income with ease with this particular product. And not only that, Scalar comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is only $9.95, and you can also access Instagram lead magnets for only $9.95. Now, that's a very easy upgrade. There are 8 upgrades ranging from $47 to $127. And I would suggest that you watch for the down sales. You might save some money with the down sales, but you also might get less product or a different product. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story, or watch the demo at the end of this review. And oh yes, before you watch the Scalar demo, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain recurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system, and how to conduct affiliate marketing easily, which also includes a resource file. Now, let's watch the demo.
4 simple steps. Welcome to Scalar. Scalar is an outstanding ChatGPT 4.0 technology we've adapted for your benefit. This platform enables you to drive targeted clicks to all your affiliate links and earn daily profits on autopilot in just 4 simple steps. Let's dive into how you can achieve this. Step 1. Activate. The first step is to activate your affiliate profit-generating funnel. Click on the button provided to preview all the ready-to-use, profit-pulling funnels we've created specifically for you. These funnels are designed to help you start making money immediately as an affiliate. Select one that fits your needs, name it, and create it. This process is straightforward and quick. We've designed a rebrandable, high-converting, affiliate profit-generating funnel that lets you build your list and earn affiliate commissions on autopilot. This profit funnel includes a high-converting lead generation page. This page is optimized to capture leads efficiently. A high-converting bonus page. Filled with enticing bonuses, this page encourages buyers to purchase both the front-end offer and the OTO, one-time offer, of the funnel. Bonus download pages. These pages provide download links for all the bonuses promised to buyers, both for the front-end and the OTO offers. You can customize each page using our easy-to-use page editor. While customization is optional, we've made it so simple that you don't have to edit anything if you prefer not to. Everything is done for you. Just add your name, photo, affiliate link, and opt-in form code. Then, activate your affiliate profit-generating funnel with a single button press, and you're ready to go. My opt-in form code, my name, my affiliate link, and my photo have been placed exactly where they should, so potential buyers can see my name, my photo, subscribe to my list, and buy the product through my affiliate link without having to go into each page and do it all by hand. Step 2. Write the highest converting email series. Email advertising is the most effective method for promoting affiliate offers inside Scalar. This insight comes directly from the vendors of these products, who have shared their successful strategies with us. Beyond identifying the best advertising method, we've also provided a way to customize the highest converting email series using AI. AI is revolutionizing email marketing. Here are some impressive statistics. Higher open rates. AI-generated email content can achieve up to 30% higher open rates compared to traditional methods. Increased click-through rates. AI-driven email campaigns have shown a 41.38% higher CTR than non-AI campaigns. Time efficiency. AI can reduce the time spent crafting emails by 50 to 70%, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. High ROI. AI-powered email marketing can deliver an ROI of up to 4,200%, $42 for every $1 spent. Scalar's ChatGPT 4.0 built-in AI emails feature allows you to write the highest converting email series in seconds, revolutionizing your email marketing. Here's how it works. Copy the sales copy. Take the sales copy from the product sales page you plan to promote. For example, if you're promoting a product with a bonus page, copy the content from that page. Paste the sales copy. Paste the copied sales copy into Scalar. Send. Click the Send button, and Scalar will craft a high-converting email series tailored to that specific product in seconds. We've prepared an inbuilt prompt especially for email series inside Scalar. This prompt helps generate a series of promotional emails that highlight the benefits, bonuses, and urgency to purchase the product. Each email features a clear subject line, engaging body content, and a compelling call to action. After generating these emails, simply copy them and set them up in your email marketing autoresponder. This will automate your affiliate profits in the easiest and most effective way possible. Step 3. Deliver. Delivering what you promised on the bonus page is crucial for maintaining buyer satisfaction. If you fail to deliver, you risk losing trust and future sales. In the Deliver tab, you'll find all the URLs you need. Opt-in pages, URLs for the pages where leads will sign up. Bonus pages, URLs for the pages that offer bonuses. Front-end bonus download pages, URLs for downloading bonuses promised to front-end buyers. OTO bonus download pages, URLs for downloading bonuses promised to OTO buyers. To deliver the bonuses, copy the front-end bonus download page URL. Go to the Warrior Plus affiliate offer dashboard you are promoting and add the front-end download page URL to deliver it to the buyers. Add the OTO bonus download page URL in the same way. This ensures that your buyers receive what they were promised, keeping them happy and increasing the likelihood of future purchases. Step 4. Advertise. With your premium affiliate profit-pulling funnel ready, it's time to drive traffic to it. One of the most profitable digital marketing strategies today is knowing exactly where the people who make profitable actions on your affiliate profit funnel are coming from. This allows you to send even more people with similar interests and behavior back to your funnel. Tracking is essential for this. Scalar includes a basic but highly effective tracker to help you monitor the sources of your traffic. Using the tracker is simple. Click on the button to add a tracking URL. Choose the profit funnel you want to track. Assign a tracking code to help you track where the traffic is coming from. Add the tracking URL and you are done. This tracker helps you understand where your affiliate sales are coming from, providing detailed insights within the dashboard. For instant traffic, we provide Sparks, an all-in-one Pinterest traffic solution. Sparks allows you to design, post, and schedule pins to multiple Pinterest accounts and boards simultaneously from a single dashboard. This unique Pinterest automation traffic generation solution includes over-the-shoulder premium training, showing you how to drive tons of free buyer traffic from Pinterest quickly and easily. Scalar offers much more beyond these core steps. We've created a VIP training program featuring over-the-shoulder premium training to guide you step by step in making money with Scalar. This comprehensive training covers everything you need to know to maximize your profits with Scalar. No other solution offers as much value for your money. If you're looking to leverage outstanding ChatGPT 4.0 technology to drive targeted clicks to your affiliate links and earn daily profits on autopilot, try Scalar today. You won't regret it. See you on the other side.